of Art traveled to a location called Mountain Forge, located in Truckee. We learned about their jobs in blacksmithing and all about the different tools they have in their establishment. One mechanism that Mountain Forge retained was a power hammer. Each student got to experience the power tool that modern-day blacksmithing uses. We used the power hammer to each craft a piece of metal with a curved edge at the end. Blacksmithing has brought people together since the Iron Age. Humans have used this skill as one main component to our modernization into what we are today. We began using blacksmithing as a way to fashion tools and everyday household items. Blacksmithing was a way to bring people together through its craftsmanship and collaboration. Many used to and still do blacksmith together. Forged metal tools are used in modern day and historical situations and have brought us forward in time, a time of civil society with constructions and more.
Throughout Art of Art, blacksmithing was a key component, and we were taught to collaborate and persevere. We were taught to hammer at extreme degrees at different angles to have a certain outcome for the certain shapes that were necessary. In order to make the tree, we needed to punch holes through the metal and attach them to other branches at the base. It was a huge group effort and everyone collaborated to make it. Some of them were twisted, and that's one of the utilized skills that we learned. Blacksmithing has improved my craftsmanship, collaboration, and responsibility.
Watercolor piece of amethyst, and I did a bunch of other things. And I did the gold leaf. I glued it up.
My final art piece was it's an abstract painting that was inspired by an art piece I saw at the museum that we went to in Reno.
The emotions shown through this painting are shown throughout all the different colors. The colors express and are associated with a teenager's mind throughout adolescence.
My painting was inspired by the expressed emotions of women's feelings throughout society and over the years. The bones represent what women are pressured to look like.
How does art make you feel?
I think the art makes us both feel very stressed out.
I can speak for both of us, I think. When I say we're not very good artists, so it's stressful trying to draw something or paint something or whatever, and not being good at it and not having a product that you want. So yeah, I'm not exactly a Mozart of art. Wait, no, that's Picasso.
How has art changed over the years?
Well, blacksmithing, because it's stayed the same over the years, but it's just modernized, basically.
And art, it started from Native Americans using pottery and art and paint, and it's changed over the years by now people are putting colors on a piece of paper.
How has art impacted your life?
By giving me something to channel creativity and emotions into.
By giving me something to do when I'm bored.
Why is art important?
Art is important because it lets people express themselves through creativity and colors and stuff like that.
Yeah. What is art to you?
Art is a way to express yourself in a way that you couldn't in verbal form.
Art is color.
Okay.
How has art changed over the years?
It hasn't.
How has art changed over the years?
Well, blacksmithing.
I'll never reach the ground. Focus through the surface with us. We're far from the shallow now. Understand.
There's no emotions. It's a piece of art.
Okay.
I didn't
Isn't that what art's all about now?
Well, I don't know.